In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove duplicates in Notion, quickly and easily in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to head over to your connected workspace in Notion. This is where you handle all your projects, wikis, and documents. If you're not logged in yet, simply click on the Login button. Make sure you've entered your credentials if prompted. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed straight to the Notion homepage. From here, navigate to your database. Your database is where all your information is stored and organized, and it's typically where duplicates tend to sneak in. Simply click on the database you intend to clean up today, ensuring you have the correct permissions to edit or modify its contents. Next, you're going to select a property from within the database. Properties in Notion are essentially columns or categories, and you'll want to choose the one where you're noticing those pesky duplicates. It could be something very specific, like a title or an ID number, to ensure you're targeting the right set of data. Once you've got your property in sight, the next step is to apply a filter. The filter tool is powerful in Notion. It can help narrow down the data you're viewing to just those rows that meet certain criteria. Here, you'll be focusing on the criteria that will help you uncover duplicates. Go ahead and click on the filter button. With the filter bar open, you'll see the beginnings of a query forming. Click on the Eyes option to specify the operation you want to perform within this filter. Now, this is the crucial part for identifying duplicates. After this, you'll want to type a value that you suspect might be duplicated across different entries in the database. This could be a common value you've noticed repeated often. Once you type in that value, Notion will adjust the view to only show you entries where this specific property matches the value you've keyed in. This is a quick way to visually scan for duplicate records. When duplicates appear, you can take action by manually reviewing these entries to decide which ones you'd like to keep or remove. It's often a good idea to add some conditional formatting or use a different marker to indicate duplicates for future reference. By following these steps, you'll keep your Notion workspace clean and organized, ensuring that your data remains consistent and accurate. And that's it. Simple and efficient. Remember, regular housekeeping in your digital workspace is key to maintaining its integrity and usability. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.